Vauxhall Adam dash cam install. So we've got the camera running up there, wire hidden through here, down through there, underneath there into the factory loom, so I'll take you to in just a moment. To get to all this, take this panel off, carpet out, side panel out, light out, unplug the light just to be safe, pull the rubber off. We took an 8mm out from where they, either 7 or 8mm in that little circle, show you in a minute. Pop that out, fed the wire through around to here, underneath all that, because once that is out there, where is it, sorry, once that's out, 7 or 8mm in there, we can pop this out, door rubber off. This pulls up and out, pull the door rubber all the way up and around, and then you can pop this out, pull it out entirely. You can run the cable through the factory loom. It's gone behind there, down here, all the way up, all the way around. Up there, underneath here, then you can pull it down ever so slightly, and then we've got a GPS and a power lead running back through.